welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp tostada. Refreshing, delicious, with ingredients that you already have in your home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and refreshing shrimp tostada, these are my ingredients. Of course, tostadas, chile de árbol, salt, black pepper, and Mexican oregano, 3 lemons or limes, whatever you have at home, cilantro, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, half a purple cabbage and half a white cabbage, and 2 pounds of deveined shrimp. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready your shrimp. I have deveined my shrimps. They're nice and clean. I have a napkin on the bottom, and I am ready to cook my shrimp. There's no need to add anything to the shrimp. You don't want to add salt because the salt is going to really take away all the juices of the shrimp. When your shrimp is nice and pink, you're ready to remove it from the stove. Turn off the stove, remove your shrimp, and just let them sit, getting ready all your veggies. And this is what's going to take much longer. I have the purple cabbage that I'm going to dice in very small little pieces. This is going to be time consuming, but let me tell you, beautiful family, this tostada is going to come out so delicious and so amazing. Yes, look at this white cabbage. I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to really dice it in very small little pieces. And here I'm ready to put it on the plate. I am going to use 1 whole onion. I'm going to dice it in very small little pieces, taking my time that everything is really going to incorporate. You really want everything to be nice and combined. I have my cilantro, a bunch of cilantro that I'm going to dice very small, adding everything to the bowl. And here I am ready to get the juice out of these 3 limes. Once this is done, let me show you. I have everything nice and organized so that you could see how I'm going to prepare these tostadas. Well, here I have black pepper, salt, oregano, chile de árbol, lemon juice. I have the 2 tomatoes, the shrimp cooked already, and all the veggies. Look how beautiful this looks. And of course, now I am ready to make that amazing sauce. I'm going to add to my cup blender 2 tomatoes. I'm going to add the chile de árbol. I'm going to add the spices. And of course, I'm going to add the lemon juice. Don't forget to add 2 garlic cloves. And once you add them, you're ready to blend. Blend it for a couple minutes. You really want this to incorporate. You really want this nice and creamy. You don't want to see specks of the chile de árbol. So once this is nice and blended, you are ready to pour everything in a bigger bowl because you want to have control when you're mixing everything. And now I'm ready to pour that sauce right on the top. You might be thinking that this is going to be spicy. If you love spicy food, add about 10 chile de árbol. If you don't like spicy food, just add 2. Well, here, let me tell you, the lime really reduced the heat of the chile de árbol. And now I am ready to chop away the shrimp. Once you have cut and sliced all your shrimp and you are ready to incorporate it into the rest of the ingredients, let me tell you, your mouth is going to get so watering because this is just amazing. Once you have everything chopped, then you're ready to incorporate. Look at those beautiful colors. But let me tell you, with a tostada, just perfect. Look from close up how you could really see all those amazing pieces of shrimp. And of course, don't forget to add avocado. Yes, right on the top, I'm going to lay some avocado right on the top of my tostadas. And of course, I'm being very generous with my tostadas. I'm going to have two, and they're going to be nice and loaded. Once they're nice and loaded, I am ready to add some avocado, little squares of avocado. Like, subscribe, and share if you loved this amazing recipe of tostada of shrimp. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing shrimp tostada. You might be thinking that this is going to be spicy. No, it's not. The lemon really cuts down the spiciness of the chile de árbol. But this is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mm. So delicious. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing and delicious tostada. Shrimp tostada. Make it at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying this amazing shrimp tostada. See you soon. Bye-bye.